Hi everyone, I'm going to do a little mini lesson on how to get to your Launchpad and how to get into the Pearson, which is now called Savvas, so that you have online reading materials anytime you'd like them. So first we're going to go into Launchpad, and you have to make sure that you're signed in with your login under your Google account. You can see Miss Morris has her little icons here. And then I'm going to go into this icon right here. It's called Savvas Easy Bridge, and it used to be Pearson. They just merged companies. So they have the same reading material and the same My View that you were used to from last year. So mine is going to look a little different because I'm a teacher, but still you can go into Realize, and you're going to make sure you want to browse and add the right reading materials to your account. Like mine has second grade because I used to teach second grade. So when you browse, you can look and see what you want to add. And you want to add and make sure you have this version of My View Literacy Grade 4. So you're going to click on it. And now you can see you have access to all of the activities. Not only you're going to have access to the activities, but we'll be assigning things through here to get right into Google Classroom. So you'll be able to link it together. It's very, very techy this year, I know. So the first week, if you're looking for what we're going to be doing, you're going to go into our weekly question. You can go into the writing workshop. There's many different things that you can look at as long as you have access to it. There's no problem with it. So right here is something that we're going to be reading, and you can see it tells you what your learning goal is this week. It tells you the author is, it tells you what TIKA supported, and you can turn the audio on or off. So you can actually have it read to you. And if you look over here, you also have a little reading workshop where it talks about previewing vocabulary and going over the words. You also have the closed read questions and your reflect and share. So all of this is just available to you because you have Launchpad. So, but you have to go in through Launchpad to get to this. Okay, we won't be starting this probably until next week, but I wanted to make sure I made this video in case you had any questions. Thanks a lot. Bye.